In this tutorial, our objective is to explain how selection affects allelic frequencies. In theory, any sexually mature individual in a population is capable of breeding with any other. This means that the alleles of any individual organism may be combined with the alleles of any other. And alleles encode for the phenotypic polymorphisms of a particular trait. They may be beneficial, detrimental, or neutral. Beneficial alleles will better equip the organism to survive and hence to produce more offspring. Detrimental alleles will harm the survival prospects of an organism, leading to fewer viable offspring. Finally, neutral alleles will not affect the organism's survival prospects. Now, due to natural selection, the proportion of different alleles will change across generations, whereas the beneficial alleles improve reproductive prospects or more offsprings, they are more likely to be passed on to future generations. Conversely, detrimental alleles result in fewer offsprings and hence are less likely to be present in future generations. So, if environmental conditions change, what constitutes a beneficial or detrimental trait may change, and thus the allele frequencies in a population are constantly evolving.